Nowadays, in the name of low-cost grouting, maximum service providers are practicing cementitious grouting. This cementitious grout are available with all reputed brands. Due to dampness, the wall putty peel off quickly and don't last long. Do you know the actual reason? At the time of construction or tiles installation, the builder used cementitious grout. Due to this, leak starts between the tile joints and dampness occurs. If dampness spreads, wall putty, paint all peel off quickly. Epoxy grouting is mandatory to solve this problem permanently, but most of people are not aware about epoxy grouting. Most of the time people confused with epoxy grouting and cementitious grouting because every brand manufacturing epoxy grout as well as cementitious grout. Most of builders put cementitious grout only at the time of construction, so leaks happens in every house. To avoid this problem, every house owners must do epoxy grouting at least once as early as possible. But we see only the reputed brand's name, but we usually don't check the variant what they are offering with the price. As a result, water seepage occurs on the walls within months only and wall putty, paint peel off within 5 to 6 months, and the money you invested in it got wasted. At Deccan Clap, our professionals will visit your house for inspection and find the problem and suggest permanent epoxy grouting only. We don't work with cementitious grouting and we suggest you branded epoxy grout only for your walls. We offer 8 to 10-year warranty on epoxy grouting service. These services are performed by separate grouting experts only. We don't carry out epoxy grouting work with painters or plumbers, so we can assure no tile damage grouting. Epoxy grouting is must to have healthy, fungus-free, long-lasting paint and to increase life of the construction. With right epoxy grouting service, consumer can save more than 50% amount on home maintenance.